Welcome to Dr. JALIL Photography. Few months back, I purchased one Lava 15mm wide-angle macro lens, but it is really difficult to get close-up shots or macro shots of a very tiny subject like spider or flies, which I usually do. But it needs to go so close, I'm not feeling very comfortable using this lens as a macro photography lens. However, since I have purchased this one, which is about $550, I don't want to waste this money. I've decided to use this lens for my other photography tools. Recently, I have done some videography and street photography with this lens fitted on Sony Alpha 6700, which I'll be showing just now. Please do comment on the performance of this Lava 15mm f4 macro lens for other photography purposes. Your recommendation or your comments will be helpful for using this lens. If any one of you ever use this lens for photography, please help me using this lens in future for other purposes. Now I'll be showing few seconds of video clips with this Lava 15mm f4 macro lens and some still photography. Please keep watching and please do comment if you have any. সাজান আপনি সাজান সাজাবেন না
দেখেন ম্যাডাম 7 পিস করে দেখেন 7 দাম যে ম্যাডাম
If you like my techniques, if you like my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.